And I can fully understand that Felix is so excited to teach the new AX1000 and AF1000 because this is a state-of-the-art new development in our drive technology. Now, Andreas, here's our AX1000 and economy servo drive. What is this product all about?
Yeah, with the AX1000 and AF1000, we are now able to offer a highly cost-effective servo and a frequency drive, and not at low expensive, but high quality. It's a full servo drive, and we offer these drives also in a single-phase variant to save space in the cabinet, and all the features which are known in the AX5000 or AX8000 are also available in AX and AF1000, but not 100%. So we do not want to fulfill 100% of the customer wishes because we are now able to put off costs out of this device.
Okay, let's take a particular look into the product in the AX1000. And so I got also Dirk with me. Good morning, Dirk.
Morning, Roland.
Now, Andreas already mentioned it's a new development with a focus on cost. But I believe if we reduce cost, we normally reduce features. So if I take a look to the device here, I don't see a 24-volt interface anymore. So are there also functions missing, or how is this solved?
You're right. We don't have a 24-volt plug anymore. So we don't need it because we produce a 24 volt with the internal DC link voltage, and we use the internal 24 volt to feeding the IOs and the motor brake.
So it has the same function as the AX8000 or 5000, but easier realized basically.
Yes, you're right. And we don't need the external power supply. And not the space in the cabinet for that, so it's a cost saving and space saving for our customer.
Wow. And I think you also told me that you have special cables or no special cables anymore?
Yeah, we have unshielded cables now.
Okay, so another point to save money.
Yes.
So it is an optimized product plus less external components.
Exactly.
All right. Now, it's not only AX1000, we also have AF1000 here, so which is a synonym for frequency drive. Now, to be honest, Andreas, I Googled it yesterday, and if I type in frequency converter, you have 2 million Google hits. So why do we need, and what is new with our frequency converter?
So if someone knows back off, we never developed products without an added value. So if you have a look at the frequency inverter, we offer a dual channel device which is not present in the market. So it's unique for a backoff for a frequency inverter to be offered in a dual channel device. It's fully equipped with EtherCAT interface. Safety is available. All the tools are available. So if a customer is familiar with, for example, our motion designer, our system designer, he is familiar with these tools. He can also use it for our frequency inverter.
Okay, so it's basically simply plug and play into an existing world.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Now, Dirk, now I understand I take the new AX1000 or AF1000 into the Trinket system and it's easy up and running.
Yeah.
Now, with the things downwards, with the drives and motors, do we still have the same motors or do we need special motors now?
No, we still have the same motors. We have still the servo motors. We can still drive asynchronous motors and reluctance motors. With the AF1000, we use the drive without the feedback. Mm-hmm. And for the servo drives, we use a motor with a feedback.
Okay. Well, gentlemen, I think you made it really easy for customers to move on with existing features and functions, but lower the cost of the machine.
Yeah.
This is a perfect news. I'm sure you will have a busy day today, because this is the news of the day, AX1000 and AF1000. And I was told that we have a question in the chat window which is really interesting. We would like to come back to our AX1000. So Andreas, are they here? Yes.
It's not just one question,
So
it's
multiple questions.
3 questions.
Okay, let's go. Let's get some details.
Andreas, now we are getting into the hard stuff. Is it possible to operate AF1000 with an external encoder to act as a positioning axis using the NC task?
Okay, it's not so simple to answer, but there are several possibilities. Normally, the frequency converter has no connectors for feedback.
Okay.
So we need to collect it by a terminal
Okay.
and collect them or close in the I/O cycle, in the EtherCAT cycle. On the other side, it is possible to use the AX1000, which is able to collect encoder information.
Okay, either you have everything time-wise perfectly synchronized via EtherCAT in the PC, or use the AX1000.
Yes, that's
Another encoder question.
yeah.
Is HTL supported with the AF1000?
Oh, it's not planned to support HTL, but again, if it is possible to use a terminal, it can be solved like that.
I think I can see a pattern there, and I hope to see a pattern also for the last question, which is
Okay.
obviously about availability.
Okay.
Okay, good question. Availability. So we are now in the design freeze. We start the next year with the certification, and by middle of the next year, 2025, it's available for the servo drives. Up to 6.9 amps, and also the frequency converter up to 3 kilowatt of power.
Okay.